Maybe we can talk about that a little bit, about the shipping issues. What do you see are the biggest shipping issues that appear when people, maybe they have a good supplier and everything goes well? How do you make sure that everything goes smoothly with the shipping as well?
After you confirm, it will be very easy to arrange. But from the beginning, with the packaging, supplier, first of all, the carton box. So domestic suppliers, especially when those they never export, or the supplier, they have no idea this goods is going to the abroad. They don't use a certain stronger carton box. So when they arrive in our warehouse, it's destroyed, because I also manage the shipping part. So the supplier was found by the customer or something, and when this carton box arrived in our warehouse, it's totally destroyed. Sometimes the goods also broken, but sometimes it arrived with the whole carton box was destroyed. And second situation is the supplier didn't know this goods is going to international. They have no idea. So they use this kind of plastic bag, the big bag one, and then they just ship the goods with a big bag to our warehouse. So we have
not even a box,
no,
just a plastic bag.
Yeah, sometimes the Textilian scarf, or sometimes the balloon. Supplier, they normally use the bag. They don't use the carton box. And this is one thing that we need to really make sure of the carton box. It will be strong enough for the international shipment. Second of all is the size of the carton box. So each the length of the carton box is less than one meter. It must be for the shipping. But to Amazon warehouse, some of the Amazon warehouse, they require for less than 62 centimeter. And then this is very important, and some supplier, they didn't know. Also for the pre-meter, so for the pre-meter cannot be over 3 meter. And also for the weight is very important. The weight is for the air DDP shipment to Amazon, normally you need to be over 21 kilogram the DDP. If you not, we don't talk about DHL or FedEx. We talk about the DDP shipment. It means delivery duty pay. That is from China to American or the other Amazon warehouse, with tax included and custom clearance included, all included, and delivery. This kind of shipment for air is minimum 21 kg, and for the sea is minimum 100 kg. So this is most of the customer, they didn't know. So when they arrange the shipment, it's my duty to tell them, hey, your goods is 75 kilograms, and if you want to be cheaper for the shipping, if you have more stuff, probably you can consolidate all together to ship, and it will be cheaper. Recently, I do one shipment to American, like a warehouse from UPS. The customer only have 71 kilogram, and the shipment is around about $5 USD by sea per kilogram. And then I would suggest them that, okay, I know him, that because I sourced the product for him as well. I said, I know that you have the more goods coming in. I would suggest you to ship all together, because when it's over 1 ton, the price is only 2 USD per kilo. So it was better. And then the customer take the address, the advice, and then he also will be very happy about that someone give him this advice.
This is another thing,